This is a very short unboxing hands-on video on the TCL S332W Soundbar. It says it's the sound that matters. Let's see if the sound really matters or not. So once you get the box opened, the first thing you are going to see is the bar itself, the sound bar, the one that goes directly on top of your console if you have one. That is the subwoofer in the box. There are two boxes on the sides. This box appears very empty. There is nothing inside. I think it's for support so the woofer does not wobble about. In the other box, I think that is the one that comes with all the accessories, as we can see here. So we are going to take a look at the things that comes with it. First, we have the AC cable, the power cable that connects the sound bar. We secondly have an HDMI cable. So this sound bar is equipped with ARC, so you can connect the HDMI directly to your TV and then the sound comes out of it. We also have a remote control you can use, pretty handy. The rest, I think we got some paperwork, and then yeah. So we are going to see how this thing operates. We hook it up to a TV. I have a TCL Android TV, so I'm going to hook it up to it, and then we test to see if it's any good. We look at all the good things and then all of the bad things. Okay, so this is the subwoofer, and well, shocker, it is a wired subwoofer. This is the cable that goes into the soundbar, and well, it is quite a thin cable, so I did not expect much sound to come out of it. So here at the back of the subwoofer, we have three ports. The subwoofer out, we have an ARC, and then the USB port. Those are the only inputs you get at the back. So as you can see, we have everything connected: AC in, power, ARC for HDMI, and then we have the subwoofer. So this is the setup I got going. The subwoofer is on the right side of my center console, and then the bar itself is on top. So we are going to test it out to see how it really sounds. Right.
Power on.
So that is the power on and off sound. There is a voice assistant of sorts that tells you which mode it's in. So it's hooked to my TV. We are going to play something. It is good to note that it detects, the TV detects which sound bar it is. So that's another nice touch. I think because they are both TCL devices, so they interconnect somehow. So let's take a listen how it sounds connected via HDMI. You should definitely get headphones though, so you really get a close experience. I mean, I know it is sound traveling through another audio device, but yeah, you get a feel of how it is.
Do you know that feeling when you're doing exactly what you were put on the earth to do?
The one where it's like everything inside you is moving together in harmony with the universe.
So that was quite short. It's just a sound test to see how it works. We are going to take a blind audio test, but before, let me just give a general overview of how it sounds. It is loud. Yeah, if you need something to amplify your TV's volume, that's the best way to put it, because as I mentioned earlier, the subwoofer is just an extra speaker in a different body on the side. That's really it. You do not get any punchy bass from the subwoofer, that I can assure you, but it is loud. And to be fair, it does not come with Dolby Atmos, so no surround feel too. But if you need an audio device to illuminate the sound of your TV, then this is your guy. I mean, it is an okay audio device. If you are an audiophile, I'm sorry, this is not for you. You will not enjoy it. We are going to take a blind audio test though, but we'll talk about the good things and then the bad things. Good things, ARC, so you get to use HDMI, gives you a low latency kind of sound. The sound does not lag behind the video when you're using the HDMI, so it's good. So that is one way you can use this. The second way is via Bluetooth. So it has Bluetooth inbuilt, so you can connect it to your phone or any other thing, any audio output thing, Bluetooth, and then you can enjoy some sound. The third option is USB, and that is the final option. So that brings us to the advantages. Disadvantages: no aux port. You have just 3 input methods. You either do USB, you do HDMI, you do Bluetooth. That's all. So if you have outdated TV that does not come with HDMI ARC input and does not have Bluetooth, I am sorry, you cannot use this. I repeat, you cannot use this well for your TV. Maybe you can use it for your phone to play music, but that's all you get. Downsides, yeah, so we know no aux, no 3.5mm input, so you are stuck with those 3. No Dolby Atmos, no sound. It is just an amplifier. It amplifies the sound from your TV or your mobile device or your laptop, however you connect it. It just makes it louder, not better. I don't know if you understand. It doesn't have rich sound like immersive audio. No, it is just an amplifier. It amplifies the sound. My personal experience, that is what I think. And then the subwoofer, no, it doesn't have any punchy bass. I don't want to sound too bad or give a lot of bad reviews about this, but yeah, that's what you get. The subwoofer now. So given all these premises, let's just jump into the blind audio test and see how that goes. So you are going to guess which one is which between the two. I have the TCL, and that is, I'm going to take that against my Philips Soundbar. I have a Philips Tab 6305 Soundbar, so we are going to do like a head-to-head test with some music. Throw on some headphones though for accurate sound and then good judgments. I'll see you at the end.
Allow me, woman, make a dip for back, I give it $1. She want to, oh, I'm a family. She want to shoot me, nigga. Oh, you want me to stick it in there? Make I know it. Make I know it. Oh, you want me to stick it in there? Make I know it. Make I know it. So you want to see me again? Oh, you want me to let me reckless? Make I know it.
Okay, so what was your answer? What do you think the first one was, and then which one do you think the second one was? If your answers were the first TCL, second Philips, your guess is right. Overall thoughts, it's not a bad sound system. as I said earlier, and then I don't think my verdict is going to change. You need something to amplify the volume of your existing sound. He's your guy. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace out.